Hello students, in this video I am going to teach 13th sum and 14th sum. What is the 13th sum? If a is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2, show that a square minus 5a plus 7a equal to 0. 0 means null matrix. Null matrix at the ends find a inverse. Directly we should not find a inverse. But we can find a inverse. What is it? We can find a inverse. First to find a square. What is a square? A square is a into a. 3, 1 minus 1, 2 into 3, 1 minus 1, 2 multiplied. First row, first column. 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. 1 minus 1 minus 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 1 into 3, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into 2, 4. So you get 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is a square. Then we'll substitute a square minus 5a plus 7a is equal to 0. A square is 12, 8, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 3 plus minus 5 into a 3, 1 minus 1, 2 plus 7, 0, 0, 7 equal to null matrix. We have to prove that it is a null matrix. So 8, 5 minus 5, 3 plus minus 15 minus 5 plus 5 minus 10. You have to multiply entire elements. Plus 7, 0, 0, 7. You add. 8 plus 17, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 minus 10, 0. So it will be proved. From this we have to find it. See, a square minus 5a plus 7a equal to 0. No? Multiplying by a inverse on both sides. A inverse into a square minus 5a plus 7a equal to a inverse into null matrix. So the a inverse into a square minus 5 into a inverse into a plus 7 a inverse into a is equal to 0. A into a inverse into a square a minus 5 I. A into a inverse is I. We got the property a into a inverse is equal to I plus a into a inverse I. A into I is equal to 7a inverse. 7a inverse is equal to 0. Therefore, 7a inverse is equal to 5a minus a is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5. This is a 5 minus a. A is 3, 1 minus 1, 2. 3, 1 minus 1, 2 is equal to 5 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 1, plus 1, 5 minus 2, 3 is equal to this. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1, 1, 3. That is, we got a 4 mark question. These are 4 mark question. That's all. Then 14th sum. What is the 14th sum? For the matrix A 3 2 1 1, find small a and small b such that a square plus 4 a into small a into capital A plus capital B into identity matrix is equal to null matrix. First find a square. A square equal to 3 2 1 1 into 3 2 1 1 multiplied 3 into 3 9 plus 2 3 into 2 6 plus 2 into 1 2 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 1 1 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 11 8 4 3. This is a square. Now we will find a square plus small a into capital A plus small b into capital I is equal to null matrix. A square 11 8 4 3 plus a into 3 2 1 1 plus b into 1 0 0 1 is equal to null matrix 0 0 0 0 is equal to 11 8 4 3 plus 3a 2a a plus b 0 0 b is equal to 0 0 0 0. Now add all this. 11 plus 3a plus b. First row first column. 8 plus 2a plus 0. 4 plus a plus 0. Then 3 plus a plus b equal to 0 0 0 0. It is of order 2 by 2. It is of order 2 by 2. There is an equal symbol. We can compare the elements. Therefore, 4a plus a equal to 0. A equal to minus 4. A equal to minus 4. 3 plus a plus b equal to 0. 3 minus 4 plus b equal to 0. Therefore, b equal to 1. Therefore, b1 a minus 4. So, we have got two sums. We will, in the next video, we will do it. Question number 15. A 1 1 1, first row, second row 1 2 minus 3, third row 2 minus 3. Going to show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11a equal to 0, and hence we have to find a inverse. First to find a square. A square equal to a into e. A square equal to a into e. 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Again 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Then row by column multiplication rule. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 minus 1. Then 1 into 1 1 minus 3 1 1 minus 3 plus 3. Second row 1 plus 2 minus 6. Then second row, second column 1 plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Second row, third column 1 minus 6 minus 9. 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Second row, first column 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 6. Second row, third row, second column. 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3. Then 2 into 1, 2, plus 3, plus 9. Plus 9. And now simplify. What is the answer? The answer is 4, 2, and 4 to 1. Then this is minus 3, and this is 8, minus 14. Minus 3, 8, minus 14. 7, 7 minus 3 plus 14. 7 minus 3 plus 14. 4 to 1 minus 14. Okay. Now find a cube. How to find a cube? A cube is equal to a square into a. A square is 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7, minus 3, 14, then a, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. First row, first column. First 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 1 into 2, 2. Second row, second column. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1 into 1, minus 1. First row, third column. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 1 into 3, plus 3. Second row, first column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into 1, 8. Minus 14 into 2, minus 28. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 8 into 2, plus 16. Plus 14. 16 plus 14. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus 8, minus 24. Minus 2, minus 42. Minus 14, 3 minus 42, 3 minus 24, minus 3 minus 42. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 3 plus 28. 7 into 1, 7. Minus 6 minus 14. Then 7 into 1, 7 plus 9 plus 42 plus 42. The answer is a cube. A cube is equal to 8, 7, 1. Then minus 23, minus 23, 14, 30, 27, and this is minus 27, 69, minus 69. This one 28, 32, 22, minus 14, minus 20, minus 13, minus 13, plus 50, 60, 58. 22 minus 13 plus 58. That is your A cube. Now we have to find A cube. We have to prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I equal to null matrix. A cube 8, 7, 1 minus 23, 27 minus 69, 32 minus 13, 58, plus 6a minus minus 6 a square, this is a square, 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14, plus 5 into 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, then 2 minus 1, 3, then 11a, direct I put 11, 0, then 2 minus 1, 3, then 11a, direct I put 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. You have to prove that it's a null matrix. How to prove that? It is 8, 7, 1, minus 23, 27, minus 69, 32, minus 13, 58, plus, I am putting multiplied minus 24, minus 12, minus 6, plus 18, plus 18, minus 48, plus 84, minus 42, plus 80, plus 18, plus 18, minus 84, then plus 5, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus, 10, 5, 10, minus 15, 10, 5, minus 15, 10, minus 5, plus 15, plus 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0. You have to prove that it is a null matrix. So 8 minus 15 minus 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24 minus 16 minus 16 minus 16 plus 5 minus 11 plus 11 0 minus 7 plus 11 0 7 minus 5 plus 5 0. So if you add, you will get 0. You can add, check and add. It is 0. So hence proof. So we have proved that it is true. Then we have, with this, we have to find A inverse. How to find A inverse? We have just proved A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I equal to 0. Multiplied by A inverse on both sides. A inverse into A cube minus 6A square plus 5A minus plus 11I is equal to A inverse into 0 is equal to A inverse into A square A cube minus 6A inverse into A square plus 5 into A inverse into A plus 11A inverse into I equal to 0 is equal to A inverse into A cube A square minus 6A A inverse into A square A ಇದು plus 5i plus 11 A inverse is equal to null matrix, 0 null matrix. Okay? A inverse into identity matrix is A inverse. Now what is the 11 A inverse? Is equal to 6A minus A square minus 5d. This is going that side. 11a inverse here plus 6a minus a square plus. After 6 into after a inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into 6a minus a square minus 5i is equal to 1 by 11 into 6a. What is 6a? We have to go to a. 6a. 6, 6, 6. 6, 12 minus 18. 12 minus 6, 18. Minus a square. A square is 4 to 1. 4 to 1 minus 3, 8 minus 14 minus 3, 8 minus 14 7 minus 3, 14 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. No space, you please is equal to 1 by 11, 6 plus 4, 10, 6 minus 4, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, minus 3, 4, 5, then 9, 6 plus 3, minus 9, 9, then this one is minus 1, and here minus 4, then 5, minus 3, then minus 1. That's all. This is A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 into minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. Such a long question. You will please try 1 or 2 times. Then only you will get a practice. You will see in the next. That's all. Balance 16th sum you have to do yourself. You will see in the next video.